Women's sexual desires naturally fluctuate over the years. Highs and lows commonly coincide with the beginning or end of a relationship or with major life change such as pregnancy, menopause, or illness. Some medications used for mood disorders also can cause low sex drive in women. If your lack of interest in sex continues or returns and causes personal distress, you may have a condition called sexual interest or arousal disorder. But you don't have to meet this medical definition to seek help. If you are bothered by a low sex drive or decreased sex drive, there are lifestyle changes and sexual techniques that may put you in the mood more often. Some medications may offer promises as well. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you causes of low sex drive or low libido in women. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Your subscription means a lot to us and inspires us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Let's see first the symptoms of low sex drive or low libido in women. If you want to have sex less often than your partner does, neither one of you is necessarily outside the norm for people at your stage in life, although your differences may cause distress. Similarly, even if your sex drive is weaker than it once was, your relationship may be stronger than ever. Bottom line, there is no magic number to define low sex drive. It varies among women. Symptoms of low sex drive in women include having no interest in any type of sexual activity, never or only seldom having sexual fantasies or thoughts, being concerned by your lack of sexual activity or fantasies. If so, when do you need to see a doctor? If you are concerned by your low desire for sex, talk to your doctor. The solution could be as simple as changing a medication you are taking and improving any chronic medical conditions such as high blood pressure or diabetes. Now let's get into the causes. Desire for sex is based on a complex interaction of many things affecting intimacy, including physical and emotional well-being, experiences, beliefs, lifestyle, and your current relationship. If you are experiencing a problem in any of these areas, it can affect your desire for sex. Number 1. Physical causes. A wide range of illnesses, physical changes, and medications can cause a low sex drive, including A. Sexual problems. If you have pain during sex or can't orgasm, it can reduce your desire for sex. B. Medical diseases. Many non-sexual diseases can affect sex drive, including arthritis, cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, and neurological diseases. C. Medications. Certain prescription drugs, especially antidepressants called selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, are known to lower the sex drive. D. Lifestyle habits. A glass of wine may put you in the mood, but too much alcohol can affect your sex drive. The same is true of street drugs. Also, smoking decreases blood flow, which may dull arousal. E. Surgery. Any surgery related to your breasts or genital tract can affect your body image, sexual function, and desire for sex. F. Fatigue. Exhaustion from caring for young children or aging parents can contribute to low sex drive. Fatigue from illness or surgery also can play a role in a low sex drive. Number 2. Hormone change. Changes in your hormone levels may alter your desire for sex. This can occur during A. Menopause. Estrogen levels drop during the transition to menopause. This can make you less interested in sex and cause dry vaginal tissues, resulting in painful or uncomfortable sex. Although many women still have satisfying sex during menopause and beyond, some experience a lagging libido during this hormonal change. B. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Hormone change during pregnancy, just after having a baby, and during breastfeeding can put a damper on sex drive. Fatigue, changes in body image, and the pressure of pregnancy or caring for a new baby also can contribute to changes in your sexual desire. Number 3. Psychological causes. Your state of mind can affect your sexual desire. There are many psychological causes of low sex drive, including mental health problems such as anxiety or depression, stress such as financial stress or work stress, poor body image, low self-esteem, history of physical or sexual abuse, and previous negative sexual experiences. Number 4. Relationship issues. For many women, emotional closeness is an essential prelude to sexual intimacy, so problems in your relationship can be a major factor in low sex drive. Decreased interest in sex is often a result of ongoing issues such as lack of connection with your partner, unresolved conflicts or fights, poor communication of sexual needs and preferences, and trust issues. Are you experiencing low sex drive lately? Among our listing, which one do you think is your cause? Give us your opinion in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.